Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by parking the 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan on level ground and allow the engine to cool completely. Hot coolant can cause severe burns. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts while you work. Put a 3-gallon drain pan beneath the radiator drain petcock and wear gloves and eye protection. Assemble tools: a 10 mm socket, 13 mm socket, 1/4-inch ratchet, pliers, and a 14 mm line, wrench for transmission cooler lines. Have rags and a reusable container for old coolant disposal. Open the radiator drain petcock and drain coolant into your 3-gallon pan until the flow slows to a drip. Cap the heater core drain if present. Loosen the hose clamps and remove the upper and lower radiator hoses. Be prepared for residual fluid. Remove fan shroud fasteners and unbolt the radiator mounting brackets using a 13 mm socket. Use a 14 mm line wrench to disconnect transmission cooler lines, catching residual fluid. Carefully lift the radiator straight upward, clearing the condenser and fan, and set it aside for inspection or replacement. Set the new radiator into place, aligning tabs and fan shroud, then secure the mounting bolts snugly. Reconnect transmission cooler lines with the 14 mm line wrench and reinstall the upper and lower hoses, tightening clamps evenly but not overcompressing. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Refill the cooling system with a 50/50 antifreeze and water mix, using a funnel and adding roughly 5 gallons until the radiator neck is full. Start the engine, set the heater to high, run to operating temperature near 195 degrees F while topping off fluid and watching for leaks. Then road test and recheck fluid level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.